Hello, right now I'm going to walk you through the basics of how to use an Orbitist map. So I'm assuming that you've got a card in front of you, or somebody's given you a map number. Maybe you've been linked directly off of Facebook or off of somebody's website. In that case, you won't need to know this first step, which is just to go to Orbitist.com and enter in your map number. So in this case, I'm going to enter in map number 90. Again, if you come directly to this link off of somebody's website or off of Facebook, you don't need to know the map number. So the first thing we're going to see here is just some information about the map that you're viewing. In this case, this is a natural history tour of Chautauqua County, New York, that's meant for people with snowmobiles. So I'm going to explore the map by pushing this button. And what you're going to notice is there's a lot going on here. We've got a lot of points. We've got these clusters of points. So if you see a number 4 on a cluster, that means there's 4 points inside of that are just really close to each other and clustered together. If we tap on a point, we're going to see a variety of multimedia. We've got images. We've got an audio story here, a little bit of text. And if we click on the audio, we'll listen to that story. If we click on these images, we can see there's a slideshow of images with a little bit of information, which is really cool. In this map's case, we've included some trail data, so you can see all of the trails in Chautauqua County, the snowmobile trails. And we have some hiking trails as well. Now, if I want to know where I am right now on this map, I can simply tap this button down here. This is the geolocate button. And the browser is going to ask if it can have our permission to use our location, and I'm going to allow that. And it's going to show where I am right now. And right now I'm at the Orbitist office in Dunkirk, New York, and so we're not really anywhere near any of the points on this map. And if I zoom out, you'll see there's the nearest point right there. Now, if I wanted to drive to this point, I could scroll down to the bottom of this point, and I could push this little car. And what this is going to do is it's going to kick me over to Google, and it's going to create driving directions for me. So this is really handy to navigate to that point. And we can do that to any of the points here on this map. I can also print out this point using this button right here. Okay, so that's the basic overview of Orbitist maps and how to use them. If you have any questions about Orbitist or are interested in Orbitist in any way, you can reach out to us at support@orbitist.com.